Hello, friends. Today we're going to be reading another poem. And so the reason we picked the last poem was because school is almost over and you guys are going to be going to second grade next year. So that was a fitting poem. And this poem is about summertime because when school is over after this week, it is summertime and you guys get time off of school to have a break and hang out and do whatever it is you all want to do. So this poem is called Summertime and I'm going to read it out loud, and I want you guys to listen for the words that rhyme, which means words that have the same ending sound. After I read the poem and you guys listen for the rhyming words, you're going to write the words that rhyme on a piece of paper and upload them to the Google form so I can check your work. Let's go ahead and read it. Summertime, summertime, let's go out and play. Time for fun and lots of sun. I love these kind of days. Summertime, summertime, swimming to stay cool. Pillow fights and late night bites, an awesome break from school. I'm going to read it one more time, listen for those rhyming words, and then you're going to upload a picture of your work. Summertime, summertime, let's go out and play. Time for fun and lots of sun. I love these kind of days. Summertime, summertime, swimming to stay cool. Pillow fights and late night bites, an awesome break from school. Find some of the words that rhyme and upload a picture of your work.